Hi, I'm Alex at Roving Repairs. Today we're going to talk about the basics of automotive maintenance. In fact, it's as simple as A, B, C. Air filters, belts, corrosion. First, we're going to go ahead and check the air filter. Most vehicles are going to have a box like this for the air intake. It's going to have clips or some kind of screw. Now, don't be worried, don't be confused if it doesn't look exactly like this on your vehicle. Alright, so here you have your air filter. Now, you're going to have two sides to this filter. This is the back side. This is what both sides of the air filter should look like. This is the intake side where the air is coming in. This is what it absolutely should not look like. You can see, if I get it into the camera, that you've got debris, you've got dirt, and everything actually stuck in the folds. And next we're going to look at the belts. Alright, so we're going to check here. We're going to pull just lightly, just to make sure there's not too much play in these belts. These feel good. Then we're going to check the interior of these belts for any kinds of cracks or fraying. And finally, we're going to check for corrosion. Now, corrosion builds up on batteries generally around the terminal. So what you're going to want to do is take a look at these terminals here, your positive and your negative, and see if you have any corrosion. You'll see on this battery you absolutely do. All of this yellow and brown stuff right here, flaking, is corrosion. So if you see that, you're going to, at the very least, want to get a battery terminal cleaning, if not have your battery tested. Alright. So we've checked air filters, we've checked belts, and we've checked batteries for corrosion. Now, with your air filters, if anything is in there too tight or you feel like you can't get to it, do not force it. Okay? With belts, don't yank on them too hard, and don't be apt to touch them when the vehicle's been running recently because they're going to be hot. And third, with the corrosion on the batteries, corrosion is corrosive. So make sure you wash your hands after handling a battery. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions about anything we talked about today or anything else related to automobiles, make sure that you give us a holler on Facebook, check our website, or give us a call. Thank you.